How to make Snapchat shortcuts. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can make Snapchat shortcuts or create shortcuts on Android. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now when we talk about creating a shortcut, it usually depends on what kind of shortcut you're talking about. Whether you're talking about adding the Snapchat functionality to your home screen, or whether you're talking about you want to add someone's particular chat to your home screen so that you can access it without having to open the Snapchat app. I will simply show you all of these processes, so make sure to stick with me till the end. The very first shortcut you can add is the widget shortcut, and in order to do that you have to simply long press on your home screen. As you long press and hold on your home screen, depending on whichever Android device you have, at the bottom you can see this option which says widgets. In your case it could be somewhere else. I'm going to tap on widgets and simply add a Snapchat widget shortcut. So in this list I will go ahead and simply look for Snapchat. So right over here you can find Snapchat. All you have to do is tap on it, and you can see this widget shortcut. In order to add this, I'm going to simply tap on it over here and then tap on the add button. As soon as you tap on that, you can see we have loaded the widget to our home screen. Now you can also drag this and send it to the particular home screen where you want to add. If you want, you could go about simply resizing this shortcut as well. As you can see, we did it just like that. Now what this basically does is that you have multiple shortcuts. Whether you want to go and directly take a snap, you can tap on this camera icon over here, and then it will take you to the snap shortcuts over here where you can go ahead and simply record a snap. And then if you come back to your home screen, let's say for example, what you could also do is you could simply open the chat shortcut by tapping on this chat button which you see. As soon as you do that, you'll be taken to the chat screen of your Snapchat page right there like this without having to open the Snapchat over and over again. But then, let's say the other thing is that you want to add a particular chat from one of these lists onto your home screen without having to go to these chat sections each one by one. What you have to do is simply press and hold and long press on any of these chats, let's say for example. And over here you'll find this option which says chat settings. So simply tap on the chat settings option. As you tap on chat settings, here you will find this option which says pin shortcut to home screen. All you have to do is simply tap on pin shortcut to home screen, and you can see it says me to add to home screen. I will simply tap on the add button. Now you can tap on done, and then you can come back and let's check whether we have added the shortcut or not. And as you can see at the very top we have that particular chat shortcut. If we want to open it, we can simply tap on it once and then go ahead and open that particular chat. Now you could send a message or simply send a snap. And this is how you can make Snapchat shortcuts on Android. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.